Episode 26 starts off like that because it's time for a beer. I've been actually trying to do some work today. It's been a slow day for me actually. We went four-wheeling yesterday and I was running around with the camera all day and I must have tweaked something in my neck because I had a pounding headache all day. That's cool, I persevered, the headache's gone away, so it's time to celebrate with a beer, which will probably bring back the headache, but it's my fault, it's all on me, so it's all good. Basically, what we have done today, much like the other side, I've made the other gearbox mount that goes on the transfer case. Bit of roll cage tube, my Hilux rubbers, or polyurethane bushes I should say. And then I've got this piece of plate that I cut out. The holes I've mint, notched this out for another piece, and bent it a little bit in the press. So I'm happy with that. Also got my brackets to suit. So basically the stage that I'm up to now is putting it under the truck and welding it together. And then I can say my motor and box is in, and then I can give it a flex test, make sure everything clears. There's only one piece that I'm slightly worried about, so we'll have to see if it's going to clear or not. It was kind of impossible to tell until we actually flex it up. So yes, let me do some work, and then if I have time I might push it outside and see if it's going to flex up or not. There it is in all its glory. First flex up with the mud traps on, and I put spacers on. So yeah, looks like everything's working, everything's in the right spot. Happy with that. Bit of a monster really. It's certainly going to be interesting to see what it's like in the trails. But as you can see, motor is in. There ain't nothing supporting it except for its mounts. So they are doing their job. The thing I was worried about when flexing up was this bracket here. I thought it was going to hit that, but obviously it's actually pushed it further away because it's lifted the motor. So that's good. I'm happy. Winner. It looks fantastic. Well, anyway, that'll do for episode 26. I'm gonna finish the beer that I just stood on and knocked over. Happens to be the last one, and I'm gonna go inside and start working on some editing. So it's all good. We'll catch you guys next week. Let me know what you think. I think it's gonna be a bit of a weapon off-road. All I know is I've got a long way to go before I find out. But I am looking forward to it. It's going to be fantastic. See you guys next week.